Hey guys, what happened? How to recover a Yahoo account without phone number or email. To recover a Yahoo account without phone number or email, you use the sign in or Yahoo sign in helper. So type in your Google Yahoo sign in helper, go to the second result in your Google, reset or change your Yahoo password. What you're gonna do under this article, you're gonna hit go to sign in helper. And it will take you to the sign in helper page where you're going to enter a recovery email address. So if you added more than or if you added an alternative email address inside your own email address, right, or your main email address, you're going to be able to locate your original email address, and they're going to send you a verification link to that alternative where you're going to be able to enter the new password and confirm it. So basically that's it. And also you can use a recovery phone number if you added more than one number. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.